Follow for more
Hello,
chemistry
friends.
lectures.
Good day, every one of you. I remain Dr. D.I. June. In my last video, I talked about the significance or the importance of chemistry. And I also told you that there are some fundamentals in chemistry that students in chemistry ought to know even until the day of their death. And I enumerated some of them. So in today's video, I will talk about how we can determine the atomic mass of elements, the first 20 elements as they appear in the periodic table. If you are a chemistry student, I know that you already know them. Now, there are certain things you ought to know also before we talk about determining the atomic mass of the elements. One, you must know the serial number of the elements as they appear in the periodic table. That serial number coincides with the atomic number of the various elements, from number 1 to infinity. For example, the hydrogen is number 1 in the periodic table. The serial number is number 1 also. So the serial number corresponds with the atomic number of the individual elements. That, of course, you know. Now, having known that, you must know the element itself and then the chemical symbols. If you don't know the chemical symbols, when the element is going into reaction, you will not be able to get the correct formula. And then we have understood now that some of these figures, some of these numbers that the elements are being assigned to, some are even numbers, some are odd numbers. For example, now 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number, so they are. Then the even numbers we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Now, all these numbers I've just spoken, the elements are arranged in that manner in the periodic table. So, having known this, you can see some of them here, the first 20 elements in the periodic table. We have hydrogen, which is serial number 1. Atomic number is also 1. And we have H as the chemical symbol. Then we have number 2, the serial number 2, helium. The symbol is He, capital H, small e. Then we have number 3, lithium. The chemical formula symbol is capital L, small I. When number 4, we have beryllium. The symbol is Be, capital B, small e. Now we have number 5, that is serial number 5, boron. The chemical symbol is B, capital B. Then we have number 6, carbon. The symbol is C. We have number 7, nitrogen. The chemical symbol is capital N. Then we have number 8, oxygen. The chemical symbol is O. Then we have number 9, as the chemical, the serial number, we have fluorine. The symbol is F, capital F. And then we have 10. The name of the element there is neon, capital N, small e. Then we have number 11, sodium. The chemical symbol is capital N, small a, Na. Then we have number 12, magnesium, capital M, small g. And we have aluminium, number 13th element. We have capital A, small l. Number 14 is silicon, capital S, small I. Number 15, we have phosphorus. The symbol there is P, capital P. In number 16, we have sulfur. The symbol is capital S. 17 is chlorine. The symbol is capital C, small l. And we have 18, argon, capital A, small r. And we have potassium, number 19, capital K. And then calcium, number 20, capital A, capital C, small a. Now these are the first 20 elements in the periodic table. And as a chemistry student, you are advised to know these things off by head, because sometimes when such problems are given to you to calculate, the examiner will not provide the atomic masses of the elements in the compounds, believing or assuming that you already know them as a chemist. So, having said that, I will devise formulas which we can use in determining the atomic masses of these elements. Now, when I was in secondary school, between the period of 1975 and 1980, I devised these methods to help me to determine the atomic masses of elements, totally from number 1 to the 20. But these two laws, these two formulas I devised, does not apply to hydrogen for special reasons. So, in my next video, we will talk about that. So, fans, comment, like, and share this video to many of your fans. And don't forget to follow my account for more vivid and serious chemistry lectures. I also remain as a consultant to content writing and even project writing. Some of you who are in your final year, you want to write project, please contact me. I'll give you my phone number so that you can call me at a private time, we can chat. One of my phone number is 070-6824-0255. Another one is 080-2215-9052. God bless you.